Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sneha and I create content on beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and often on travel. For today's video, I've brought this soft and romantic makeup look. This look is really subtle and easy to create if you follow the steps closely. Now let's get started. I've already done my skincare. Now I'm taking this illuminating moisturizer from Sugar Cosmetics in shade 01 Gold Diggin. Adding this step will give a little golden sheen on my face. This product is hydrating and has lightweight formula. It gives a subtle glow and makes skin look healthy. Next, for my foundation, I'm mixing Swiss Beauty Airbrush Finish Full Coverage Foundation with my L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24-hour matte cover foundation. I love the full coverage and airbrush finish that I get from the application of these two foundation. If you're looking for a foundation in affordable range, then I highly recommend you guys to check this foundation from Swiss Beauty. I'm sure you're gonna love it. Also, you guys, if you want to learn the right way of applying the foundation, then I have just the video for you on my YouTube channel. I'll share the link of the video in my description box below, so you can check that out. Next, I've applied a tinted lip balm. This one is from Dotted Key in the shade Watermelon Rush. As I've used full coverage foundation, I was able to hide any pigmentation that I had. So now I can use a light color concealer directly to highlight my face. For blush, I'm taking Cream and Tint blush from Swiss Beauty in the shade Strawberry Sizzle. To blend my concealer as well as blush, I am taking this beauty blender. This one is from Prosh brand. It is really soft and squeezy and it blends anything like magic. Next, to add some glow, I am taking this liquid highlighter from Tipsy Beauty and I'm applying it on higher points of my face. This product adds a subtle glow which is absolutely beautiful. Next, I'm taking this translucent powder from K Beauty and I'm using this to set my cream based products. For my eyes, I'm first doing my eyebrows, and for this I've taken this eyebrow pencil from Mars Cosmetics. I also have a video where I've shared the steps that you can follow to create a perfect eyebrow, and the link for the same I will put down in the description box below, so you can check that out. Here you can see how just defining your brows can frame your face. For my eyeshadow, I am taking this rose gold glitter shade and I'm applying it on my eyelid, primarily focusing on the center of my eyelids where the light hits the most. To remove any fallouts, I'm using a big fluffy brush. For this look, I'm opting for a brown eyeliner instead of a black eyeliner because I want to create a soft look. You can see I'm drawing a thin line, keeping it close to my lash line, and I am stretching it out to create a wing eyeliner look. To make my eyes look a little bigger, I'm applying a nude beige shade on my waterline. Then with the help of a brown pencil, I'm creating a thin line on my lower lash line. Also, I'm pulling it out to create sort of a wing look on my lower lash line. Now I'm taking my liquid highlighter back and I'm applying it on my brow bone area, and with the help of finger I am blending it out. I'm also applying it on tip of my nose and bridge of my nose, and with the help of my finger I am blending it out. For my mascara, I am taking Lash Paradise mascara from L'Oreal Paris and I'm using it to create some volume on my lashes. For my blush, I am taking this very soft pink shade and this one is from Etude House. For my lips, first I'm taking a pink lip liner. This has kind of coral pinkish look and I'm applying it to define my lips, and then I'll also apply this on center of my lips and also fill in my lips with this to ensure my lip shade gets one base, and that will help in making my lip shade to stay for a long period of time. For my lip shade, I'm going in with Peach Addict shade from Maybelline New York Sensational Liquid Matte range. I love this range from Maybelline because it comes at a very affordable price and the texture of this is very creamy. And this is my final look. Let me know in the comment section what kind of makeup tutorial you would like to see next, and do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. And yeah, I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye.